Prepare ko na ba yung sarili ko? Kasi parang iba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon eh. Can I just say that you're one of the few people in my circle na sobrang funny, masaya kasama, and maayos ka usap? I like how you put a smile on my face whenever you talk. Gusto ko yung energy na binibigyan mo sa akin. That's why I like you, Heart. Pero, may karugtong na pero, diba? I like you, pero we're both different. Different in a way na I think we're not really compatible. Paano mo nasabi? Gusto kong mag-work kung ano man yung meron sa ating dalawa, but nahihirapan ako makakip up sa lifestyle mo. You love to party, drink, and hang out with your friends until 3 a.m. while I just love studying and read books in my apartment. Ano? Hindi kita marinig, Heart. Sorry, ang ingay pala. Ayan, lumabas na ako so you can hear me. Bakit napatawag ka? Punta ka rito sa club malapit sa kinainan natin last Saturday. Party tayo, KD. Heart, it's 1 a.m.